Bini Maloy breaker silence stop spreading fake news, love issue with Rico Blanco. Number 1 trending ito ngayon sa Twitter, Philstar apologize to Bini Maloy. Ito ay paglabas ng article with the headline New Year, New Love, Rico Blanco, Bini Maloy spotted together in La Union. With the cover, a video of them crossing La Union Street is trending on different social media sites, fueling romance rumors between the OPM artists. Di ito pinalampas ni Bini Maloy, nagsalita na, "Stop spreading fake news, please lang." Makikita sa picture, marami silang kasama with friends sa La Union enjoying their vacation. Pinalitan nga ang article from New Year, New Love, Rico Blanco, Bini Maloy spotted together in La Union. To Rico Blanco and Bini Maloy spotted together in La Union. Pero ngayon, deleted na ang nasabing article. Marami ang dismaya sa Philstar at kolumnista nito. How ironic, don't fall for fake news. Kaya ganito na lang ka-trending ito sa Twitter, number 1 with 31.6k post, Philstar apologize to Bini Maloy. Dahil sa pagpapakalat ng malisyosang balita. And also to Derek Lauren and Star Magic to do something to protect the artist.